Cash flow is the lifeblood of a dental practice. Yet for many dentists, it's also a constant source of frustration. You can be doing everything right clinically and still feel financial pressure if cash is not moving efficiently. At Profi 2020 Dental CPAs, we work with dentists all across the United States to strengthen financial systems so practices aren't just busy, but financially stable and positioned for growth. And if this kind of guidance is helpful, hit the subscribe button for more straightforward financial insights built specifically for dentists. When cash flow feels tight, the issue often is not production, it's timing. That's why one of the biggest cash flow leaks starts with billing and collections. When invoices go out late or follow-up is inconsistent, payments stall. Improving automation, tightening processes, and offering flexible payment options can make a noticeable difference in how quickly cash comes in, without creating friction for patients. Once collections improve, the next question becomes how that cash is being used. Cash flow is closely tied to how debt is structured and managed. Financing can be a powerful growth tool for equipment purchases, expansions, or acquisitions, but only when loan terms align with your actual cash flow. Understanding how your payments fit into your monthly numbers helps prevent growth from turning into a long-term strain. Even with smart financing in place, cash flow can still erode through everyday expenses. That's where expense management plays a major role. Reviewing overheads, supply costs, and staffing patterns often reveals small inefficiencies that quietly drain cash. When adjustments are made strategically, they strengthen cash flow without compromising patient care or team morale. All of these improvements depend on one critical element: visibility. Regularly monitoring key financial metrics gives you a clear picture of what is working and what needs attention. Instead of reacting to surprises, you gain the ability to make confident, informed decisions before small issues become bigger problems. As practices grow, that clarity opens the door to bigger opportunities, whether that means expansion, partnerships, or long-term planning through accurate valuations. No matter the path, strong cash flow is what turns opportunity into sustainable success. Improving cash flow is not about quick fixes. It's about building systems that support your goals today and protect your future tomorrow. If you want help creating steady, reliable cash flow in your dental practice, schedule a consultation with Profi 2020 Dental CPAs and make your next move with clarity and confidence. Thanks for watching. If you find this information valuable, please be sure to check out our YouTube channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with any of your dental colleagues because we're making better businesses in dentistry every day.